Hi traders, just a quick look at my favourite charts at the moment. This is the Dow. So 3 days of buying off this 1600 level, and you can see all this massive resistance up here. What I was hoping for is a run up into that sometime today and then to get short, but it's run up into the close and done it out of hours, so I've not taken that, which is a pity, because that 422 looks like a great short in the smaller time frames, and it's correspondingly dropping now. I'm not trading tomorrow. It's a quiet day, so yeah, very quiet today ahead of the 3-day weekend in the US and 4 in the UK. But the market's holding up, and I'm just constantly aware. I mean, look at this resistance level here. It's looking like a potential nice head and shoulders, but just need to hope for a push higher into this resistance area up here for a potential short up there. But at the moment my attitude is just short the highs, because it's worked in a couple of good spots here at the moment. Made decent money out of these levels here and this level here, so some nice moves. I took very little out of this. This just took me by surprise. I did capture some of that, but and obviously just a lot of mess here, so that was difficult to trade. I did get short here, hoping it would roll over, and stopped out. So I will leave that for now. And pound yen, had a great time. Big move, nice fib level down here. Daily's great. That's good at 110. I would, the only thing I would do tomorrow is buy that 110. Otherwise, I will just stay put. Let me just put a marker on that. Just to remind myself, I will put an X on there. Otherwise, not a lot to report. I am swinging along this one. I bought a contract or two in this one, hoping for a better close. I got some new Aussie data over the night. Obviously, we're under the big 180, but if you look at the 4-hour, bought the June contract in this. That's not bad. Got some hammers here. So hammers off the 50 EMA, nice rounded bottom, nice break of the trend, and a wedge. Weekly pivot held. Some selling in R1, obviously, but I'm going to hold on to this because seasonally this tends to do well this time of the year. If you look at February, March, April last year, if I can find it. At mid-April we bottomed here and ran from 145 into June to 165. Okay, so I'm going to sit on that June contract and see if I can do something. It is looking good. So that's pound Aussie dollar, US dollar yen. That looks good. Nice bottoming pattern. That's worth a shot at 102. But don't put euro yen. That looks as if that could catch up with the pound yen. Pound US. If we get a pullback to 750, that may well break up. With 3 touches of that resistance, another pullback and run up, and that could do well. Let me just supermark that just to remind myself. Okay, otherwise Euro Yen, Euro US, sloppy. Looks like we could fill the gap up there, 138.80. That's it. Aussie US. Looks a bit sloppy up there. Could at least need to come down and test this area here. That's it. Let's look at a couple of commodities. Oil, invents and contract coming. Contract changeover. Seeing this one sell. Next level of support is 101.30. Need to start looking at the new contract on that. Sugar. Trying to hold, trying to base. Wheat. Ooh, pull back. I think that pullback's viable actually. I would, if we see 675, that might be worth a shot there. Copper is always a good one to look at. Not great. Holding on just. Corn. Sorry, we didn't look at corn. Consolidating underneath that trend line, but still holding on. Gold. I think this is a 4-hour here in the gold. I think this gold could come up. Yeah, if we start holding this area here, I think that could creep up and start to move back up. But that's a lot of selling. That's a very sharp move a couple of days back. Yesterday in fact. So, but wherever there's decent support, it's worth trading to see if that can push up. Okay, leave it there, and thanks for listening. Bye for now.